Good morning everyone. So today we are going to learn about the different kinds of vectors, okay? And next, what is scalar product and what is vector product. So see here, so different kinds of vectors. So first one is zero vector or null vector, okay? Zero vector or null vector, and the next one is unit vector, and the third one is collinear or parallel vectors, and fourth one is equal vectors, okay? So these are the four different kinds of vectors. So now coming to the diagrammatical representation, okay? In this diagrammatical representation, the vector A, okay, the vector A in which direction, see here, okay? So it is the vector A, okay, it is represented by A bar, and another vector A in the opposite direction, exactly opposite to the A, okay? So this is what it is, also a vector but with a negative sign, okay? The vector with a negative sign, the value of the vector with a negative sign, that is called opposite vector, okay? So next, for example, if I am taking the two vectors, for example, if I am taking the two vectors, okay, see here, one vector is A in this direction and another vector is B in this direction, okay, A vector and B vector. Then the resultant vector of AB is in this direction, that is A plus B. See here, see clearly, the vector A is in this direction, which is represented by blue line, okay? A and B, both the vectors are, see here, the vector is in this direction A and B vector is in this direction. Then the resultant vector of these two vectors is like this. The resultant vector is what, Nana? A plus B, means A bar plus B bar, okay? This is what the addition of two vectors. Now coming to the, in this way also we can add the two vectors. And the second one, see the next case, in the next case also you can add the vectors. For example, this is A vector and this is a B vector, A, B, and in the different directions. Then the resultant vector is in this way, okay? The resultant vector is A plus B, because A and B, okay, A and B, the resultant vector is A plus B, that is addition of two vectors. Next, next type, that is A minus B. For example, the vector A is in this direction and B is opposite to that direction, B is opposite to that direction, because that is why it is negative B bar, it is positive A bar. So negative B bar and positive A bar, the resultant vector is A bar minus B bar, okay? A bar minus B bar. You see clearly, A bar is in this direction, A bar is in this direction and B bar is in this direction, then the resultant vector is in this direction, okay? A bar minus B bar. So this is what the representation of vectors, okay? If you are having any two vectors, then the addition is like this, okay? Okay, and see this, these are the some of the properties of vectors, okay? Vector addition is possible by, see here, vector addition. For example, the vector A bar is equals to AXI cap plus AYJ cap plus AZ K cap, okay? AXI cap plus AYJ cap plus AZ K cap. In this case, this is what the vector A representation. And for example, if you take the vector B representation is, for example, BXI cap plus BYJ cap plus BZ K cap, okay? For example, the vector A is this one and the vector B is this one, okay? Then the vector addition is A bar plus B bar, A bar plus B bar. If you add both these two vectors, then AX plus BX, okay? AX plus BX I cap plus AY plus BYJ cap plus AZ BZ K cap, okay? This is what the addition of the vectors. In this way you can add the two vectors. And subtraction means what? AX minus BX, AY minus BY, AZ minus BZ. Then multiplication, okay? Multiplication means what? AX BX, AY BY, AZ BZ, okay? Like that you have to multiply. Next, scalar product. Okay, the scalar product of any two vectors is, for example, the scalar product is also called as dot product. Scalar product is also called as dot product. So in this case, the dot product of two vectors can be written as a bar dot b bar is equals to ab cos theta. So if you remove the dot product, then it will appearing the cos theta. See here. Okay, so here it is a bar dot b bar is equals to ab cos theta. Okay, it is ab cos theta. And if you, for example, here see, here I am introducing the new vectors I cap, j cap, k cap. What are I cap, j cap, k cap? I, j, k are the unit vectors along x, y, z axis respectively. See here, I want to explain clearly. So for example, take x axis, y axis, z axis. For example, this is x axis, this is y axis, and this is z axis. So along the x axis the unit vector is I cap, along the y axis the unit vector is j cap, along the z axis the unit vector is k cap. Okay, k cap. So here I cap, j cap and k cap. So these three are the unit vectors along the x, y, z axis respectively. So in this way, if you do the dot product between any two similar vectors like I dot I, j dot j and k dot k, so in that case you will get the unity. Unity means what? 1. Okay, you will get the value 1. Okay, so see here, I dot I, j dot j, k dot k. So all the values are 1. Okay, and if you do the dissimilar vectors dot product, dissimilar unit vectors dot product value always 0. Okay, always 0. So see here, I dot I, j dot j, k dot k, all the values are 1, and dissimilar means I dot j, j dot k, k dot I. So whatever it may be, I dot k, for example, if it is I dot k. Okay, so see here, I want to written all the things. Okay, for example, if I write like this, see, I dot I, okay, j dot j, k dot k. So all the values are 1. Okay, and other than similar, for example, it is ij, jk, ki, ij, jk, ki, means I dot j, j dot k, k dot I, all 0. And for example, it is j dot I, j dot k. Okay, all the values are 0, and k dot I, k dot j. Okay, all the values are 0, like this. Okay na? So this is what about the dot product. This dot product can also be called as scalar product. Okay, scalar product or dot product, both are same, don't confuse. And see here, if you dot product the two vectors, for example, already same example, for example, the vector a is, for example, a bar is equals to ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. Okay, az k cap, and the vector b bar is equals to bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. So these are the two vectors I have taken. Then the dot product between these two vectors, see here, a dot b, the dot product between these two vectors is written as a bar dot b bar is equals to what, nana? Ax bx I dot I, ax bx I dot I means what, nana? I dot I value is 1 plus ay by j dot j, ay by j dot j value is 1, and here I am writing az bz k dot k, k dot k value is 1. So what is the final value here? The final value is here. Already you can able to see here, a bar dot b bar is equals to ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. Okay, so this is what about the scalar product of two vectors. And what is the definition of it? The dot product of two vectors can be a thought of the projection of one onto the direction of other. Okay, this is what the definition of the scalar product of two vectors. Okay, Nana. Next, vector product or cross product. It can also called as vector product. The cross product is also called as vector product. Vector product or cross product of any two vectors. So the cross product of any two vectors says something about how perpendicular they are, how the two vectors are perpendicular to each other. Okay, for example, I have taken the vector a bar and the vector b bar. So here the vector a bar, here the vector b bar. A bar and b bar are making an angle with a theta. Okay, so in this case the vertical component of a bar is a sin theta. Okay, and the vertical component of b bar is b sin theta. Okay, so in this way the cross product of two vectors can be represented by a bar cross b bar. A bar cross b bar value can be written as ab sin theta. A bar cross b bar is equal to what, Nana? Ab sin theta. So here a bar dot b bar is equal to what, Nana? AB cos theta. In the dot product it is cos theta, in the cross product it is sin theta. Okay, now if you do a bar cross b bar value, a bar cross b bar can also be written as minus b bar cross a bar. But in case of dot product, a bar dot b bar value can also be written as b bar dot a bar. There is no negative sign in this case. Okay, a bar dot b bar is equals to b bar dot a bar. But in case of cross product, a bar cross b bar is equals to minus b bar cross a bar. Okay, this is what about the vector product or cross product. Okay, remember this. Thank you everyone. So tomorrow we will discuss the next concepts. Thank you.